Okay, so look, I hate to break it to you, but your insurance might not be worth the paper that it's even printed on, and that is no joke. So imagine paying on your insurance for years, your house, your car, your business, even your life insurance, and only to find out when you actually need it, it's not covering what you thought. And too many people find this out the hard way, and by then it's too late. So today, I'm going to break down the biggest insurance gaps that can leave you financially wrecked. And then also, we're going to talk about how to fix them before you get caught slipping, okay? The biggest misconceptions about insurance, number one is I have full coverage. The reality check is that there is no such thing as full coverage. That is a myth, and a lot of people are buying into that. There is no such thing as full coverage. Homeowners insurance won't cover floods, earthquakes, or certain types of fire damage unless you add that extra coverage. Car insurance, if you don't specifically ask for rental reimbursement, gap insurance, or custom parts coverage, you're out of luck. The misconception number two that we're going to talk about, my work life insurance is enough. Here is the harsh truth about that. The little policy your job gives you, it usually just one time your salary. Why that is a problem, if you leave or get fired, it's gone. One time your salary won't take care of your family long term. And companies can change or even cancel that plan at any given time. The misconception number three, my business insurance, it covers everything. Business owners, I need you to listen up. Just because you have general liability, it does not mean that you're covered for real risk. Where most policies fail, you have cyber attacks and data breaches. Nope, that's not included in general liability. If your business gets sued and you lose income, that's a separate type of policy. Employees using personal vehicles for work, most policies don't cover that. The reality check, why these gaps exist, because insurance works, but only if you know what you actually have. Many policies are filled with complex wording and the print that most people never read. The key details, what's covered, what's not, and under what conditions, can easily get overlooked. Exclusions matter. If you assume something is covered without even checking, you might be in for a shock when it's time to file a claim. So how do you fix this problem? Protect yourself. The step one is to review your policy every year and call your insurance company, call your agent, and ask some questions. What am I not covered for? What's my deductible in different situations? What happens if I lose my job, move, or start a business? Step two is to get the right add-ons or riders or different type of coverages. For homeowners, make sure that you have flood, earthquake, sewer backup coverage. For car insurance, make sure that you have rental reimbursement, gap insurance, better liability limits. If you have a business, cyber insurance, errors and omissions, key persons insurance. What I stress is to work with an independent broker like me. Unlike big insurance companies, I work for you and not for the insurance company. I help and I find and fix gaps before it's too late. Compare policies from multiple carriers. Make sure that you actually are covered and not just sort of covered. Have you ever had an insurance nightmare? I want you to tell me in the comments. I want to hear about it. And how did you change that type of situation so it won't happen to you again? If you're not 100% sure your policy will have your back when you need it, drop review in the comments and I'll personally help you figure it out. And hey, if this video saves you from a bad insurance mistake, hit that like button and subscribe. Next time, I'm exposing the biggest insurance scams no one talks about. Until next time, peace.